Hello everyone, welcome to Dhareeba online tax registration. As you all know, Dhareeba is the new portal launched by the GTA, General Tax Authority. Today we look at a self-registration process in order to obtain your tax registration. As you see, as you log on to the Dhareeba portal, you can see on your screen that there are two ways to log into the Dhareeba portal. One is by using a smart card. There is also a username and password to log in. So today we stick on to logging in through the Hukumi smart card. Let's see how you install your smart card. So now we are logging in. We are disconnecting. We are authenticating, putting the PIN number. Now we have, once you enter your 4-digit PIN number, you can see now on the screen that you have made your entry into the Dhareeba system. So now we have selected a company. If you don't see the company here, or if you go further, you can see all the companies registered under your smart card. If you don't see the company, you have to go back to Ministry of Business and Trade and check the reason for the company not appearing here. So our company is here. We select the company. So we have clicked the company now. We have entered the registration process. From here we can track the registration. So we are doing a self-registration. This is the most recommended process of registration. There are other ways. We are doing a separate video on the technical and other aspects. We'll put a link at the end of this video if you want to access, if you want to see the options. So let's start now. You can see that on your screen all the information of your company has already come in from the Ministry of Business, Commerce and Industry website. So let's go. You can see that you don't need to enter anything here. Only you have to put the start date of your company. So the date in which your company is incorporated. You can find this information from your commercial registration, which is the CR. So just put the start date as per the CR. Then the other information that you need to fill is your company location. The company location, you would have filled this already at the time of filling up your national address. Now we come to filling up your email address and your mobile number. This is very critical because all the alerts will be coming to your email ID. So let's save as draft. Remember always to save as draft and continue. In here you need to fill the profit share as per your article of association. As you know, the tax is calculated based on the profit share. In certain companies the profit share and ownership might vary, but in here both are the same. So we click continue. In this screen there is nothing much we need to do. We just need to confirm that we are the main person. Let's go ahead and click that. All the other information has already been filled in, as you can see. After that, you have to state that your company is for an unlimited period of time. You have to state what is your targeted revenue. You can just fill an estimated amount. And then you have to fill in your accounting period, which is standard, January to December. Your employee details, and it will show that you are part of a standard tax regime and your tax on the profits will be at 10%. We can see that we can see how well we have progressed so far. We have almost completed 75%. In here, this is for if you are an importer of excise goods like energy drinks or carbonated drinks, which will fall under the category of excise goods. Could also be cigarettes, cigars, or any other products. So let's continue. We are almost reaching the end. We'll just look at the summary of all our company details. These are the information that comes into the tax card. We can always edit it. We'll do a separate video on how to edit the information. It's very straightforward. So we review all the data. We see that everything is fine. We go ahead and save it. Let's continue. We have to now declare that all the information is correct. As you see that we have reached stage 4. We go ahead and declare all the information is true. Now we go ahead and submit. With this, we have come to the end of the registration. An automated tax registration number or a TIN number is generated. You will be also receiving an email with a confirmed TIN number. Now let's close it and go to the main screen to review our tax registration and also to appoint our tax representative, which is an audit firm. So let's go back to the main screen and back to our company. You can see now we have a TIN number for the company, and if you look above, you can see that then it has changed from the name of the person to the name of the company along with the TIN number. Let's go to manage taxpayer representative. Let's assign the taxpayer representative. Let's start now. It's a one-step process in assigning an auditor. Let's give full access. Next step, we need to determine the period. Normally it's for a 12-month starting from January to December. We'll appoint the auditor for a period of 3 years from January of the current year till 2022 or 2023. So here we are selecting the dates, start date and end date. Alright, so let's put 31st December 2023. Now after this, once we have selected the period of tenure, we have to stipulate the number of the audit firm. So our number is 30003, and you can see the name of our firm in Arabic. So you can go and click that. It's always better to type it. Type the number. Then we stipulate the activities for which you have appointed the audit firm. Let's say there are 3 key areas here. You can see that in our technical video more about these. So we select the auditor only to carry out the income tax filing and not withholding tax. So we only click that box and we submit it. So with this one step, we have completed the appointment of the audit firm. So what happens now in our screen, our Dhareeba screen as an auditor, we can see that you have initiated the appointment. So we will go and click accept you as our client. With this, we can see that the tax registration process is complete. The tax card this is the tax card. It's for an unlimited period of time. You can see here it's already ready to download. You can download and keep a copy of the same. In our other video, we can see what is the impact on an editing or if information changes and all these other areas. So before we leave, I wanted to introduce our team, Jasser and Ahmed, who are always ready to support you. You can reach them in our office if you need any further assistance. Also, you can see a link above. This is a self-registration guide in PDF, which is available also in the Dhareeba website. You can download it, and I'm sure we would have already shared the same over email to you. Hope the video was useful to all of you. Thank you all for watching.